I'm bringing trivia from Philippines, Prophecy of the Philippines. I just want to share with you that there is a spiritual battle and taking places right now. When we look different epochs, we look at all these two major kind are in opposition to one another. And these two major thought forms are to serve to all service or serve to self. Service to self when you really get down that pathway. It's not even about self. It's it's now a person, sheer masochism. There's a hyper need of control, so that what what we call dark magician, and there were dark magician in Atlantis, and they were doing a lot of stuff. Now we're being faced with that karma to see if we're gonna repeat that karma or we're gonna learn that lesson. Finish of that cycle, choose differently and evolve.